and or not operator. In this video, we will learn how to use and, or, and not operator. So in our previous where clause video, we had learned how to use operators in where clause condition. So same as that, we can combine and, or, and not operators with where clause. The and or operators are used to filter records based on more than one condition. The AND operator displays a record if all the conditions separated by AND are true. The OR operator displays a record if any of the conditions separated by OR is true. The NOT operator displays a record if the condition is not true. Let's see the syntax of these operators. Here we have syntax of AND or NOT operator. So our first one is AND operator. Select then column list from where condition 1 and condition 2 and condition 3, and we can write multiple conditions with AND operator. And the second one is OR operator. So select then column list from table name where condition 1 or condition 2 or condition 3, and multiple condition also can write with OR operator. Next is NOT operator. Select column 1, column 2 from table name where not condition. So here we just use one condition for the not operator. Let's see how can we use these operators in SQL Server. So let's open new query editor, and from here we will select AdventureWorks database. Alright. Now inside this database we have all these tables and we will use this human resource employee. First let's check the data in human resource employee. Select star from human resources dot employees. Alright. Now select this and execute this. So here we had just fetched all the data. So here I will use these two columns for writing AND operator condition. So select star from human resources dot employee where organization level equal to 3, all right, and write job title equal to design engineer. All right. So what we had done, so here we had applied two filters. If organization level is 3 and job title is this, if both condition will true, it will return data. Now select this and execute this. So here you can see we have these 3 rows with organization level 3 and job title design engineer. Alright. Now let's work with OR operator. So let's try with the same query. I'll copy this and paste, and here I'm using this OR operator. Now select this and execute this. So at the every place wherever is 3 and design engineer, both data has been fetched. So here you can see our first record is senior tool designer in job title and the organization level is 3. So how OR works, if any one condition is true, it will return data. So here first condition is true and second condition is false, so it return this one data. In the second row you can see organization level is 3 and the design engineer in job title, so both conditions are true, so it return data. So this is work like this. All right. At the place of star we can write the selected column names as well. So let's try with one another query for select. So select national ID number comma job title login ID from human resources dot employee. all right, where job title equal to this design engineer, all right, or job title equal to this research and development manager. Okay, so here is my query. I'm selecting selected columns from human resources.employee where job title equal to this or job title equal to this. So if any of the one condition is true, it will return data. Now select this and execute this. So here you can see 5 rows has been fetched. All right. Now our next operator is not operator. So let's work with not operator. Select, I'll use same columns, all right, from human resources dot employees where not job title equal to, I'll copy this, design engineer, all right. So my query is select then column list from table name where not job title equal to design engineer. Now select this and execute this. So it will fetch all the record except design engineer values. Alright, you will never see design engineer in these records. Alright, so this is how your not operator works. Fine. Now we had just use and or not individually. So we can use all three operators in a single query. So how to use that? Select, I'll use this same columns where we had one column organization level, all right. I use this column as well here in column list equal to 3, all right, and operator, and inside the bracket I'll pass this condition. Fine, right. So what is my query? Select national number, job title, login ID, organization level from human resource employee where organization level 3 and job title equal to designer or job title equal to this. So whatever data will be written from here, that will be add as a second condition for this AND operator. Alright. Now select this query and execute this. So here you can see we have these 4 records with this condition. Alright. So like this you can use your AND and OR operator together. So I'll copy the same query and I paste it here and not job title equal to design engineer. All right. So it will return the records which is having organization level 3, but job title must not be design engineer. All right. Now select this and execute this. So here when you will execute, you will find all the data which is having organization level 3, but you will never find this design engineer. All right. So like this you can combine all three operators. So what we had learned in this tutorial, we had learned what is AND, OR and NOT operators and how to works with these operators in SQL Server. Thank you.